I'm going to show you a really quick and simple recipe using rope-grown mussels. Okay, I'm going to show you a Thai-style mussel dish. Really quick and easy to do, cooks in minutes. We're going to start off by putting some oil into our pan. We're going to get that nice and hot. It's really important that the pan is hot. We're going to pop in some garlic and some ginger, some onion, and we're just going to saute that off. Okay, we're moving that around the pan so it doesn't burn. I'm going to follow that with some green Thai curry paste. Just pop that into the pan, about a teaspoon. Move it around. You can move it on and off the heat. You don't have to do it on the heat all at the same time. Now I want a really nice broth to go with this, so I'm going to put in some coconut milk, around about 100 millilitres of coconut milk in there, and just going to heat that through. Okay, so really easy, just going to get that nice and hot, because then we're going to pop our mussels into the broth to cook, and all the lovely flavour from inside the mussels will come out into the broth. I'm just going to check, and we've gone through all these to make sure they're still alive. Just going to check with this one, pop it on the side there. You can see it's really closed up tight. Now my broth is coming up to temperature. It's starting to simmer really nicely. I'm going to pop in my mussels into the broth. So the broth's coming up to the boil now. It's all ready to put the mussels in. In effect, what we're going to do is steam these mussels in that lovely coconut milk, Thai green curry paste, chili is going in at the end. There's a tiny little bit in that paste. We're going to put the lid on there, and we're just going to leave those to steam for around about a minute, shaking occasionally to get all the flavours going through those mussels. The mussels are closed at the moment, and when they start to cook, they'll start to open up. So we're just checking the mussels to making sure they're all open. Nearly getting there. I'm just going to reduce that sauce a little bit, because the mussels are practically all open. If they don't open, you need to discard them, okay, because they could be dead. They should all be steaming up and taking on those beautiful flavours. So we're nearly there now. All the mussels have really nicely opened. Yeah, I can't see any that are dead or any closed ones. Just going to finish it off now with a little bit of coriander. Going to sprinkle that on the top. We don't want to put this in too early. Yeah, also it will shrivel to nothing. We're just going to mix that through so all the mussels are coated with that lovely broth, and then we're almost there, ready to plate up. So the mussels are ready, the coriander and the broth has been mixed through those lovely mussels, and now I'm going to plate up and I'm going to garnish it. Okay, so we're going to use a holy spoon for this one. And I'm taking it over to the bowl. Okay, so placing the mussels in rather than just tipping them in there. Okay, don't have to use them all. If you're presenting this for an examination. Okay, now I'm just going to tidy those up so people can see, take any empty shells out, and just pop those back in there and just turn that over so people can see the lovely mussels. And then I'm just going to pour a little bit of the broth over. And then I'm going to use some red chilli that was sliced across the grain so it's still got the seeds in it. Just going to place that around oddly. And I got some ciabatta bread here. You can use focaccia, you can use a flat bread. And I'm just going to put that to the side. Yeah, because that's lovely dipped in that broth. You don't want to waste that broth. So there you are, that is our Thai style rope grown mussels cooked in coconut milk with a Thai green curry paste, served with some ciabatta bread just to dip into that lovely broth there. Easy to cook, quick, delicious, and good for the environment.